Hey everyone, ever wondered what it's like to be a software engineer? You know, the ones who seem to have it all: big glass offices, unlimited coffee, and a magical ability to fix bugs with just a few keystrokes. It all looks so glamorous, right? Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you the real deal behind the scenes. Spoiler alert, it's not all latte art and coding magic. There are long hours, tricky bugs, and more coffee than you would ever want. Sometimes we are working from home, sometimes we are on vacation, and yes, sometimes we are in our PJs. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's dive into the true reality of being a software engineer. No filter, no sugarcoating. Let's go. This video isn't it to discourage anyone pursuing this path, but to give you a genuine look at what it's like based on my experiences. I have had the privilege of working at amazing companies like Hexaware, LTI, Vodafone, and now HCL Tech. Each experience has been unique and taught me valuable lessons. Remember, each step you take is a step toward your dream. So let's start with the good stuff. Yes, we do get to work in impressive offices and enjoy perks like unlimited coffee, but there's a lot more to it. For example, solving complex problems and working on innovative projects is super rewarding. It's like being a detective, but for bugs in the code. Speaking of bugs, let's talk about the not so glamorous part: debugging. It's like playing hide and seek with the code, except the code is really good at hiding and you are really bad at seeking. Sometimes it feels like the bug is laughing at you. When I first joined Hexaware, I was excited but also overwhelmed. There was so much to learn, but overcoming those initial hurdles made me stronger. And hey, if I can do it, so can you. Just remember, every expert was once a beginner. And then there are the meetings. Oh, the meetings. Sometimes it feels like my job title should be professional meeting attendee. But these meetings are crucial for keeping everyone on the same page and moving in the right direction. And if you are lucky, there's free donuts. Code reviews are another critical part of the job. It's not just about writing code, it's about writing good code. Reviews help ensure quality, catch mistakes early, and share knowledge among the team. It's a learning opportunity for both the reviewer and the one being reviewed. Teamwork is another crucial aspect. As a software engineer, you will often work in teams and communication is key. I have had the privilege of working with some fantastic teams, and it taught me that the best solutions come from collaboration. But remember, working with people also means dealing with different personalities and opinions, which can be challenging at times. Mentorship is another huge part of the job. I love guiding junior developers and helping them grow. It's like being Yoda, but without the green skin and weird syntax. Help you, I will. For those who don't know, Yoda is a wise and powerful Jedi Master from the Star Wars series. He is known for his deep knowledge and unique way of speaking, often reversing the order of words in his sentences. Now let's talk about patience. Patience is an underrated but essential skill for a software engineer. Whether you are troubleshooting a bug that won't fix, waiting for code reviews, or handling project delays, staying patient is critical. I remember a challenging project at Vodafone where we faced numerous setbacks. The code base was complex and every change seemed to break something else. It took weeks of persistent effort and late nights to get everything working. It was frustrating at times, but the satisfaction of overcoming those hurdles was immense. Patience is not just about waiting, it's about maintaining a positive attitude while working toward your goals. Now let's talk about working from home. Yes, we do get to work from home and sometimes even from vacation spots. I once worked from Goa. Mornings were for meetings, afternoons for coding, and evenings for the beach. Sounds perfect, right? And it's not all sunshine and beaches. Working from home or from different locations requires discipline. You have to balance your time effectively. Just don't let your boss catch you in your pajamas during a Teams call. So there you have it, the real, unfiltered life of a software engineer. It's a mix of exciting challenges, occasional frustrations, and a lot of learning along the way. If you have enjoyed this peek behind the scenes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Remember, being a software engineer is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing through those tough bugs, keep learning new skills, and most importantly, keep having fun with what you do. After all, it's the passion for coding and creating that makes it all worthwhile. If you have any questions or need advice, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts and help out where I can. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. Follow me on Instagram for more content, daily updates, and a peek into my life as a software engineer. Let's connect and grow together in this amazing tech journey. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the world of coding, every problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Keep coding, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. See you in the next video, and until then, may your code always compile and your bugs be few. Bye bye.